I wanted to talk to Lola. But then, I heard she and Ina are keeping a secret.
Dapat sinugod mo pa rin sila. Para na-confront mo sila about it.
No. Tama lang na hindi ka nagpadalos-dalos, Joanna. The fact na gustong itago ng lola mo only means na hindi mo siya basta mapapaamin.
Pero ma'am, bakit kay Ina niya lang sasabihin yung secret?
Baka pinwersa ni Ina si Madam Aurea. We all know how cunning Ina is.
And most probably, siya rin talaga yung magbe-benefit from whatever it is Mamoria side. Masama nun, kayo yung nadedehado.
Pag talaga ng mukha ng babaeng niya. Baka may makukuha na naman siya kay Lola. Like donation or mana.
Don't worry, my dear. Your Tito Charlie and I are going to take care of this. You deserve to know kung ano yung sikretong tinatago ng lola nyo na hawak ni Ina. And that's what we're going to find out.